Compact cameras prove that big things really do come in small packages. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, or anyone tired of juggling bulky gear, these pocket-friendly shooters deliver crisp photos and videos without the fuss. With sharp lenses, speedy autofocus, and handy features packed into sleek designs, they're ready to capture life's best moments on the go. In this video, we'll snap through the best compact cameras that let you focus on the fun while still nailing the shot. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. GoPro HERO12 Black, our pick for best compact action camera. If your adventures demand a camera that can keep up with every jump, splash, and wipeout, the GoPro HERO12 Black is your go-to sidekick. This compact powerhouse is built to turn your wildest moments into jaw-dropping footage, and it does it with style. Let's start with high dynamic range magic. Whether you're filming at golden hour or midday under glaring sun, the HERO12 Black balances shadows and highlights like a pro. That means your 5.3K videos and 27 megapixels photos don't just look good, they look cinematic. And with resolution that crushes 1080p by 665%, you're packing pro-level detail in a pocket-sized body. Of course, things can get shaky out there. Mountain biking, skiing, or chasing your hyperactive dog. That's where HyperSmooth 6 steps in. This Emmy Award-winning stabilization system smooths out the chaos without cropping out your shot, so your footage looks silky even when your ride is anything but. And because adventure doesn't stop at the water's edge, this little beast is waterproof down to 33 feet. Add in a lens cover that shrugs off raindrops and glare, and your shots stay crisp no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. If you want rugged reliability, cinematic quality, and stabilization so good it feels unfair, the HERO12 Black is ready to roll with you. Strap it on, dive in, and let every epic moment live forever. Number 4. OM System Tough TG7, our pick for best compact waterproof camera. If you crave a camera that laughs in the face of splashes, mud, and the occasional tumble, the OM System TG7 is built to roll with your wildest adventures. This rugged little champ doesn't just endure the elements, it thrives in them, making every hike, dive, or messy escapade worth remembering. One of its coolest tricks? A built-in microscope mode that turns you into a full-blown explorer. Suddenly, the tiniest details, flower veins, insect wings, or seashell patterns, become larger than life. Pair that with the field sensor system, which tags your shots with GPS coordinates and even ambient temperature, and you've got adventure stories stamped with character. For the budding filmmaker in you, the TG7 pulls its weight with crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second and silky full HD at 120 frames per second. Translation? You can capture the action as it happens, then replay it in glorious slow motion for maximum bragging rights. Add the versatile 25 to 100mm optical zoom lens to the mix, and you can frame sweeping landscapes or zoom in on the action without missing a beat. And don't worry about fumbles. The beefy grip and internal zoom design keep your camera secure and ready for whatever's next. If your adventures demand grit and flair, the TG7 delivers both in one tough little package. Still searching for the perfect compact camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Sony ZV-1F, our pick for best compact vlogging camera. If you're ready to step up your vlogging game without juggling bulky gear, the Sony ZV-1F is your perfect sidekick. Built for creators like you, this compact camera proves that small packages can still pack plenty of creative punch. At the heart of its design is an ultra-wide 20mm lens, wide enough to keep you in frame even when your arm's doing the heavy lifting. Pair that with a large 1-inch sensor and bright f2 lens, and you'll capture crisp detail and smooth background blur even when the lighting isn't working in your favor. Night shots, moody cafes, or sunrise vlogs. you're covered. Keeping focus sharp is no hassle thanks to eye autofocus and autofocus tracking. Your face stays front and center, even if you're moving around, so you can focus on the storytelling instead of fiddling with settings. Add in the side-articulating touchscreen, and you can compose your shots, check framing, or adjust on the fly, all while staying natural in front of the camera. Audio makes or breaks a vlog, and Sony didn't skimp here. The built-in directional 3-capsule mic keeps your voice clear, while the included windscreen accessory keeps blustery days from ruining your sound. If you want a vlogging camera that makes it easier to create polished, professional-looking content without hassle, the ZV-1F is ready to roll with you. Light, smart, and tailored to creators, it's more than a camera. It's the boost your content has been waiting for. Number 2. Sony RX100 VII, our pick for best compact zoom camera. If you're after a compact camera that packs serious punch without hogging space, the Sony RX100 VII is calling your name. This pocket-sized powerhouse is built for adventurers like you who want pro-level performance without hauling around a bulky rig. Armed with a 1-inch stacked sensor, the RX100 VII delivers crisp, vibrant images that leave ordinary compacts in the dust. Even better, it can shoot at a blazing 20 frames per second, giving you the speed to lock in action shots, whether it's a sprinting athlete, a playful pup, or waves crashing at golden hour, all without rolling shutter ruining the moment. Versatility is its middle name. The 24 to 200mm zoom lens gives you freedom to capture it all, from sweeping landscapes to flattering portraits without swapping glass. And when you need extra flair, the pop-up viewfinder and flash are right there, tucked neatly inside until you're ready to shine. Now here's the catch. Battery life isn't exactly legendary. The fix? Toss a couple of spares in your bag and you're set. And yes, it sits on the pricier side. But if you're budget-conscious, older RX100 models still deliver a solid performance boost over basic compacts. If you want a camera that blends portability with professional chops, the RX100 VII proves big things really do come in small packages. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Fujifilm X100 VI, our pick for best compact camera overall. If you've been craving a compact camera that punches way above its weight class, the Fujifilm X100 VI is about to steal your heart and possibly your weekend plans. With its retro-inspired body and cutting-edge guts, it's the kind of gear that makes you want to grab it every time you step out the door. The star of the show is its 40.2 megapixels X-Trans complementary metal oxide semiconductor 5 high-resolution sensor, delivering razor-sharp details and colors that look like they leapt straight out of a professional edit. Pair that with up to 6 stops of in-body image stabilization, and you can wave goodbye to shaky shots, even if you're running on caffeine and zero sleep. Bright conditions? No problem. The built-in 4-stop neutral density filter is like having sunglasses for your lens, letting you play with wide apertures or long exposures without washing everything out. And when you need flexibility, the digital teleconverter's 1.4x and 2x options let you frame tighter shots without swapping lenses. Because who wants to juggle gear when you're chasing a moment? But here's the kicker. This isn't just a spec monster. The X100 VI is fun. It's portable, intuitive, and it begs you to experiment. Whether you're diving into street photography, capturing travel memories, or just flexing your creative muscles, this camera is ready to keep up. If you want a compact camera that blends old-school charm with new-school brilliance, the Fujifilm X100 VI doesn't just join you on your journey. It makes every step of it look legendary. Whew! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best compact cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which compact camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.